Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can apply for a Klarna card, so let's get right into it. A Klarna card is a physical card which you can use to make payments through Klarna. Klarna is a software fintech solution which basically lets you pay for stuff uh, later after you actually buy it, or to finance those same things through several payments. And it is in general a very useful service to use. However, to apply for a Klarna card, as far as I know, you can do this only in the US. You might be able to do this in the UK or Australia as well. I'm not sure, since this is the only the US site that you can see on my screen right now. However, you might be able to apply from other countries. But for the US, it is like this. You need to log into the app and select Klarna card. Then you'll need to join the waitlist. And to be eligible for it, you need to be a resident of the US, at least 18 years old, previously used Klarna and paid everything on time, and have a good credit history. It functions pretty much the same as the credit score system in the US, so make sure that that is up to spec, and you should be eligible, and you should be contacted by Klarna that your card is ready, and you should be getting it, I think, in the mail. But yeah, that's been it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.